often said that I don't believe government has the answer to every problem or that it can do all things for all people. We're a nation built on the strength of individuals. So much of our government was built to deal with different challenges from a different era. This is how a new foundation will be built. This week, I conveyed to Congress my belief that any healthcare reform must be built around fundamental reforms that lower costs, improve quality and coverage, and also protect consumer choice. The nation and the people we love. This was the moment we earned our place alongside the great New Orleans. Hundreds of kids just started the school year at Langston Hughes Elementary, the first school built from scratch since Katrina. This country was built by dreams. The economy we seek is one that's no longer based on maxed out credit cards, wild speculation, and the old cycles of boom or bust, but rather one that is built on a solid foundation, supporting growth that's strong, sustained, and broadly shared by middle-class families across America. We built schools and focused on the teaching of math and science. Our health is the rock upon which our lives are built, for better and for worse. And every day as the spill worsens, he loses hope that he'll be able to return to the life he built. The Colorado plant is already underway, and an Indiana plant will be built in what's now an empty Chrysler factory. It's now how we built this country into the greatest economic power the world has ever known. Long before this recession, the values of hard work and responsibility that built this country had been given short shrift. Against tough odds were a people who endure, who explored and settled a vast and untamed continent, who built a powerful economy and stood against tyranny in all its forms, who marched and fought for equality and connected a globe with our science and imagination. The company has invested, built, and hired right here in America. 3/4 of Intel's products are made by Americans. Rebuilding an economy where hard work is valued and responsibility is rewarded. An economy that's built to last. If we want an economy that's built to last and built to compete, we have to change that. An economy that's built to last.